the day when, I heard this session from the people, and I'd never imagined that I would be one of the, speakers. So it feels great. I would like to enlighten about my journey, that what I started was, first of all, I'm a chartered accountant, and I recently shifted to Germany, and I'm looking for a job. So I had some time in my hand, and I thought, okay, and I wanted to do this IFRS certification, I think since long back, and I suppose I thought that this is the right time, I can do it. So yeah, I had not a job to tackle with, but then I was also doing some other certifications with this, and was learning German language, all that stuff. So, but for my preparation, what I did was, at first I read BPP book, as Manoj said, to get a clarity over my concepts, and then got a chance to watch the pre-recorded sessions of Vijaya Ma'am, and after that went to attend the live lecture of Vijaya Ma'am, so that it helped me to clear my concepts in a better fashion. And secondly, if I had any questions regarding the concepts, I could ask, and got my doubts cleared at that point of time. So firstly, I think that is really important, at least to watch the pre-recorded sessions, so that you get a very deep and clear understanding about the concepts. Secondly, I think what I did was, in the lectures, Vijaya Ma'am, as Rupika said, that she really helps, provides you the guidance that how to write the answers, how the queries should be read. Along with answering, it is also important that how we read the question. Sometimes, there's a hidden query, or sometimes there's a hidden thing which do not come directly to us. So Vijaya Ma'am had helped a lot, that in making it possible that how to read the question properly, so that we can exactly answer the queries, exactly answer the question. So that thing would be obviously done during the lectures, and that's why it is very important that you attend Vijaya Ma'am's every session, live session, so that it helps you to participate in the sessions, to answer the questions, so that your confidence will be boosted up. That helped me actually. And then writing answers is also very important. You guys have to really practice that how should I present my answers, because Vijaya Ma'am keeps telling that you should start this early, and I remember I procrastinated it a lot, because I had this fear that whether I would be able to answer the question as expected, as provided in the solutions. Obviously it doesn't comes in the at the first when you start answering the questions, but within time, as you practice, within time, this comes automatically, naturally to you. You know that what exactly terms has to be used, what are the keywords which are expected from the students in the answers, and how to begin with an answer. And it also helped me to remember the standards names. I guess it is important, because because Vijaya Ma'am had told us, Manoj has told us that it is better that if you write the standards name, it gives an impression that okay, you know the stuff at least. So, and it also gives you a confidence that okay, I know the standard name, so I can pinpoint some concepts, and I can answer the question in a better fashion. So this all things really helped me a lot. Again, I would like to say that try to cover the portion, the BPP book, pre-recorded sessions, and then try to answer as soon as possible. Start practicing the answering the questions as early as possible, so that at the point when the exam comes, a person would not be nervous that okay, how should I write an answer, and now it is not coming to me, and then you become afraid, and all that stuff comes up a lot. So when you start practicing as early as possible, your nervousness, your all the fear goes within the time, and when the time comes, when the exam comes, you will be very confident to answer a question, because you had practiced a lot in the past. So it is going to help you a lot the way the answer has to be presented. As Manoj said, it's not only about jotting down the answer, but you should also know that how exactly should I present the answer so that it clears, exactly answers the question which is required. So that had helped me a lot also I tried to solve as many past questions as possible, as many past papers which were provided by which are there on the ACCA website. And also I had purchased these pass cards, which during the end of the exam, during the end of the course, few days before the exam, it helped me a lot because all the summary points are provided in the pass cards, which help you to remember the exact keywords which are expected from us. So yeah, that is one of the thing which can help you a lot, the pass cards. I think you should really think about it, taking it, and start reading it from at the end of the course. And lastly, I would say that Ediyush had helped me a lot. Like, it's the best team to learn from, I guess, because Vijaya Ma'am is like, I suppose she is the best from whom I have learned. She clears all your queries with such a patience, and she exactly tells you, she exactly explains you from the very beginning that how the answers are expected from you, how to read the questions, and then how to pinpoint the answers. And trust me, it is going to help you a lot. So, and also the Ediyush team which had conducted a session at the end of the course, that what are the important tips, I would say that please do attend that session, because it had helped me a lot, like exactly how to answer the question, what are the important points to be kept in mind, and that about the time management. This all are very important points while giving the exam, that you have to strictly follow your time management, that like 45 minutes per question, and then you have to stop and you have to move to the next question, so that it helps you to attempt all the 4 questions, and that would help you to showcase that you have a knowledge on each and every subject, each and every question which is there in the exam, so that the examiner would be impressed that okay, you have that knowledge. And the person has that knowledge, and okay, I can give the marks, extra marks, even if not the answer is completed. So yeah, attending that session is also important, which Ediyush will be providing by the end of before the exams. Yeah, so that's it from my side. All the best. And yeah, as Rupika said, that do not take a burden on yourself, because even I had not imagined that I would be able to pass with such a big score, but it was all like commitment and dedication, and I would say consistency is really important, that you give your 100%. I know that you guys are working, have office hours and all that stuff, but consistency is really important, that you give 1 or 3 hours per week, at least in the beginning, and then afterwards you can obviously increase the time required. But you should start it from today, not like, okay, there are 6 months till the exam, and I can as of now I can chill a little bit. Please do not do that. Start from today, so that it would not make you so nervous till the end of the course, and it will